Good morning, students. Now we are going to topic about light. Okay. Um, what is light? Light is a form of energy. Okay. Light is a form of energy and it travel in a straight line. You have studied in lower classes. How is it reflected by the polished surfaces such as plane mirrors? This reflecting property of light is applied in various devices that we use in our daily life. Okay, in this lesson you will study about types of mirrors like spherical mirrors and parabolic mirrors. You will also study about the law of reflection and the law of refraction and some of the optical instruments such as periscopes and kaleidoscopes which work on these principles. Okay, um, first of all, okay, first of all, what makes light? Okay, what makes light? Light helps you see object. We can see object in the dark. An object becomes visible. So, okay, object becomes visible when light emitted on the reflection. So reflection of light. When light falls on a polished or shiny surfaces, it is changes its direction. This is called as reflection of light. Different materials, okay, white screens or starch different materials. Power is it reflection to white screens, so that is light. The ray of light which strikes the surface is called incident ray. The ray which comes back after reflection is called as reflected ray. The perpendicular line drawn at point of the incident is called normal. The angle between normal and incident ray is called as angle of incidence. Okay, incidence ray and reflected ray. So center point of view normal ray. Okay, so normal incidence of ray, center point of view. Okay, next one, plant mirror. What is plant mirror? Incident ray and incident rays, that is reflected ray, that is reflected ray. So angle of incidence ray, then only angle of reflection ray. So center point of view equal ray. So this is called as plan error mirror. Okay, so then only law of reflection of light. So the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. The incidence ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. So incidence ray and normal and reflected ray. Okay, so the mirror, it is reflected ray. Then only images formed by the plane mirror. The images is erected. Okay, images is erected. The images is same size as the object. The image is at the same distance from the mirror as the object is the front of it. The image is visual. Next one, regular and diffused reflection. Regular reflection and irregular refraction. So two pictures, regular reflections, both rays, okay, same rays, two sides or same rays reflection. Then only irregular reflections, diffused reflection, so convey the different ways of reflection. This is called as irregular reflection. So regular reflection, when beam of light falls on the smooth surface, the reflected, okay, irregular reflected in this case of body having a rough or irregular surfaces. Each region of the surface is inclined at different angles. Then only multiple images. When two mirrors are kept inclined at the angle, they can together from multiple images. This is because the images formed by one mirror forms two objects for the other mirror. So the one mirror formed by the continuous of other mirrors, that is multiple images. Angle between 45 degrees and 60 degrees and 90 degrees, so 120 degrees, so parallel to each other. So number of images, that is called infinitives of numbers. Okay, infinitives of numbers. Then only KLD multiple KLD telescopes. Okay, kaleidoscope. Okay, the kaleidoscopes is device used to see multiple images of the object. So then only we can see the play one of you kaleidoscopes. So more images of pictures. So flowers and different varieties of flowers we can see that object. So like this of kaleidoscopes, very very cute images of ice is very clearly of images. Okay, that is called as multiple reflection of light. Then only this instrument is used as toy for children. Okay, dispersion of light. What is dispersion of light? Sunlight or white light, mixtures of 7 colors. The splitting up to sunlight or white light into its color is called as dispersion of light. So dispersion of light is a varieties of colors. So examples of diffraction of light is Warnerville. So rainbow is very nice. So big GR. So more colors including so cute like this of big GR. Okay, first of all human eye. Human eye is very important part of eye. So eye is very clearly then object. So nice performance of eyes. So eyes images view the point of view more sides. So periscopes. Okay, then only periscopes. Okay, thank you students, thank you to all.
அடுத்தது எழுதணுங்களா?